Hi, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group at Compass. So we're looking at the new year 2025, and a lot of us are also looking back at 2024 and saying, this was a rather interesting and sometimes crazy year. So there were a lot of changes with the NAR DOJ settlement. There are also changes because we're kind of back to normal when it comes to business and interest rates, and it may not feel that way. It feels like a huge change. We've had some adjustments in price points. We've had some adjustments in our business models. Some people, like myself, decided to make a switch, and we'd love to help you with that. I was a business coach, a real estate business coach for 6 years, and I'd love to talk to you about some of the things that maybe are going on or that you're thinking about and how the commission structures have changed and what we're expecting maybe for 2025. So number one, the market slowdown has kind of given us some significant results. It's allowed us to take a hard look at our business in general, maybe to cut back on some expenses, make some changes in our business practices and how we get new business and serve our clients best. And also buyer's agent commissions, while the structure of how our forms have changed and maybe even our contracts have changed, actually, in essence, at the end of the day, I don't personally see that things have changed a great deal as far as commissions have been concerned. They've just been a little bit less visible. I know that the whole point was to be more transparent in the new wave of how business is done in real estate. But in actuality, what I've experienced is that very little has changed. It's just that there are options out there. And with the great guidance of a fabulous realtor, your clients can really understand what's happening. For me personally, we talk about our professional fee rather than a commission. We use a little bit different language. And a professional fee kind of elevates our standards as far as what we are to our clients and the service that we provide. Now, our professional fee that I've noticed in the last 3 to 4 months is that in almost every case, either the seller or the listing agent has provided sufficient opportunity to pay our professional fee. And only one case that I'm aware of that where I had a client interested in a particular house was at slightly less. We always explain to our clients ahead of time that if that were to happen, if it's a property they're interested in and the commission offered is less than we are requiring, we will certainly discuss that with them and talk about some options, whether that is to negotiate it in the contract or that they might want to make a slight addition to make us whole on our fee. It has not been a problem for us. So I find that's very encouraging. I think there was a lot of fear surrounding this, and certainly there's a lot more forms. There's actually going to be some new forms coming out in just a few weeks, and that'll be in January. The market might also speed up in 2025. We expect that there's a lot of delayed seller interest and also a lot of delayed buyer interest. And because of that, we expect the market to grow. Now, while right now we're experiencing 5 to 6 months of inventory, in and of itself may not change because we might have more sellers, but also more buyers. So it might still be 5 to 6 months of inventory, but it's going to feel busier. We're going to have a lot more people ready, willing, and able to move forward, either because they've adjusted their price points to account for a new normal in interest rates, or because of the need to sell and the need to buy. And that could be a change in their family status, a change in their marital status, a change in jobs, a lot of things that maybe have been on the back burner, but people have been waiting for this new year. We personally have talked to a lot of sellers who say, I'm just waiting till after the first of the year, or I'm going to put my house or my lot back on the market the first of the year. And that could mean January 1st, it might be February or March. We'll just have to wait and see how that happens. And now, in getting ready for the new year, I would say you really need to look at your business and how you're spending your money, what is giving you the best return on your investment for creating new business and for staying in touch with your clients. Making sure that you're staying in touch with prospects and clients is probably the most important thing that you can do for your business. And it's often the ones that we feel the least comfortable with because we just haven't been keeping in touch with them as much as we should have. So I encourage you to get back in there, to get in touch with people, show some genuine interest in what's going on in their lives and helping them out when they need it. Again, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group, and I look forward to helping with your business. Give us a call if we can help you.